Now while it's still dripping, I'm gonna take the Tupperware off. We start with getting the body sheet off. That's a good plan. And then the plastic, and then let's see, I see a spark plug over here. On the other side is a spark plug, but there's one in the middle. It's 3-cylinder, so it has 3 spark plugs. Yeah. I think, let's see, can we start? Now, I'm gonna take this one off. This is an Allen socket of 5. Over here is a plastic screw clip. First, take the screw a bit out and then like this. Okay, and over there is an Allen. Whenever you want to see what kind of, if it's a Phillips cross or an Allen or a Torx, just press your fingertip against, like I do now, onto the top of the bolt, and then just look at your finger. Watch, it's an Allen. Right, yes, okay. This is a bit strange, and I'm gonna show you why. There is this huge washer. It's a bolt of, what is it, 5, 6 maybe, and it's an 8mm washer. This one. Over here is the connectors for the blinker lights. Black on black and green white on white. That's English. Okay, that's the tank. We're gonna do the other side. It's the same trick. Now, I think it's time to get these things off. There is an Allen bolt here. So, Allen bolt over there. Over here you need an Allen key. A longer one runs out of the way too. And then Allen key. Yes. Ho! Yes. Okay, one over here. Okay. Then slide it backwards. It's holding there and there. Okay, and then there is my bolt for the tank. Okay. The sliding technique, yep. Okay. Over here is the bolt for the tank. And it's an Allen 6. And it's a long one. I think you can get it with a short Allen too. Not sure, fly away. Okay. Over here the same thing. Oh. Yes. So, go prepare a blanket to put the tank on. So it's up. Now let's see. This. We have two hoses over there. Then let's see, we're gonna put a towel in beneath this, so then I'm sure I don't scratch the tank. Now, okay. Yes, then I see over there is a quick lock for the petrol. So, nog een keer. Yes. Zo. Even kijken, kan die eraf vallen. We have this one. Get it out of the way. Hurts a bit. Then we got, let's see, I see two connectors, a black one and a brown one. Wait a minute. Now guys, there was, let's see, this is the quick coupler. This one was, wait a minute, like this. And you have to lock it like this, but then slide it in. So now, okay, oh, that's one, and the brown one is, yes, there it comes. Okay, now then we can carefully slide the tank out like this. Yes. What I always do is use these tiny colored tie wraps. I put it around the stuff I need to remember the connectors. Oh, come on. 2 connectors, then this one. Okay, and these 2. Okay. Hop. Nice.